This is not a tutorial nor an advertisement. I have heard of this application recently, and I was very surprised to learn what it could do. I just wanted to show, in case you didn't know. Normally, a professional, broadcast-quality animations like this take hours and hours to make from scratch. But this application has great built-in templates that we can just change the text right on the spot so easily. There are a lot of templates available for purchase, and I would highly recommend everyone to see their sample videos. Changing the text is easy as well. All we need to do is selecting the right layer, and retyping the text like this. This is just one example, and there are more. The website described how a 3D model can be exported as DirectX, but the tutorial was made for an old version of Blender. Anyway, please check out this application and see what it can do. Here is another example. Here is another. This is the end of the introduction video. Thank you for watching.